we'll guide you through how to use Google Docs Translate to convert your documents into different languages effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Docs. Once you're there, open the document you want to translate. At the top of the page, you'll see a menu bar. Click on Tools to open a drop-down menu. From there, select Translate Document. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to name the translated document. You can give it a new name so you can easily identify it later. Below the name field, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Choose a Language. Click on this menu and scroll through to select the language you want your document translated into. Google Docs offers a wide variety of languages to choose from, ensuring you can translate your document into the language that best suits your needs. Once you've selected the language, click on Translate. Google Docs will then create a new document with the translated text. It might take a few moments, depending on the length of your document, but you'll see a new tab open with the translated version. You can edit, share, or download this new document just like any other Google Doc. If you need to translate another section or document, you can repeat these steps. Remember, while Google Docs Translate provides a quick and easy solution, it's always a good idea to review the translated document for accuracy, especially for technical or specialized content. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.